Good morning. My name is Sandra Isabel Lopez Uribe. I am 38 years old. I live in San Jose del Guaviare, Colombia. I live with my son, Samuel Sanchez Lopez, who is 11 years old, and my two dogs, Max and Taki. I am studying pharmacy regency. I like to cook, exercise, play football sala, and a bicycle. I like a pizza and spaghettis. I don't like play video games. The miss at home and more in the kitchen, lying people. My last trip was to Bogota about a month ago. I don't like to remember it because two uncles died because of COVID. I was first in Villavicencio for 2 days and then went to Bogota for a week. I have future plans to take my son to Disney World. I also want to get to know the parks, the beaches, and the United States in general, but I don't have the visa. So I have to wait for it. Thank you.